2017 Ford Escape. If you want to change your cabin air filter, you're going to come down here on the passenger side. You're going to come down here and you're going to need to remove this cover, and all you need to do is squeeze these guys, and then you can lower the cover down. Okay, once you got the cover down, you're going to look over here. Let's get this stuff out of the way. And the cabin air filter is located in this compartment right here. What you're going to need to do, you can squeeze these guys right here, and I'll open the door for you. There's actually a screw right here. That's going to be a Torx T20. And remove that first. So if you don't have a T20, you can use a small flathead, okay? There you go. Use a small flathead and you can remove it with a flathead. You can just twist it with a flathead. We're going to take that out. And then you can squeeze these guys. So you can pull the cover off. It just comes off like that. Take the cover off, filter's up there. And you can just pull it right out. This one, I'm just going to kind of check it. And it's brand new. So I'm not going to pull it all the way because it's a little difficult to get back in without squishing it. But it just comes right out. This little spot there, you just pull it on out. And you get your new one and just work it back in there. But I'm not going to go through all that because this one's pretty darn clean. Get your cover. And reattach the door. And it just pops back on. Right. And put your other little cover back on, and that's it.